morning everyone, I'm Joey the DRRM virtual presenter, presenting this Mount Bulusan Report 2022, DRR Bicol. We have here the four major outline of this stuff, phenomenon, situation description, actions, and resources for response and recovery. Okay, let's start with phenomenon. Mount Bulusan Phreatic eruption. Date and time occurred, June 5, 2022 10:37 a.m. Location, Province of Sorsogon. Situation description. The 10:37 a.m. eruption yesterday from Bulusan Volcano summit. Crater produced a sluggish gray ash plume that rose more than a kilometer and dispersed wet ash to the west coincident with rainfall over the edifice. Thin fine ashfall fell on the general northwestern sector of the edifice and affected the barangays of Puting Sapa, Añog, Guruyan, Catanusan, Buraburan, Bacolod, and Sangkayon in Juban, and Bolos in Irosin, Sorsogon Province. Rumbling sound and sulfurous odor were also observed by residents of Brgys, Añog, Guruyan, and Catanusan. After the eruption, degassing was observed from the northwest vent on the summit for the first time this year. Alert Level 1 status remains in effect over Bulusan Volcano, which means that it is currently in an abnormal condition. Local government units and the public are reminded that entry into the 4-kilometer radius permanent danger zone, or what we called PDZ, must be strictly prohibited, and that vigilance in the 2-kilometer extended danger zone, or the EDZ, on the southeast sector must be exercised due to the increased possibilities of sudden and hazardous, phreatic eruptions that can occur without warning. Initial actions of Department of Agriculture Bicol. Close monitoring and coordination with PDRRMC Sorsogon and MLGUs affected. Ongoing inventory of buffer stocks, biologics, etc. Regional Dairy Production and Technology Center in Sorsogon City, or the former Sorsogon Dairy Farm, located at Barangay Cabitan, Sorsogon City, is initially designated as the primary livestock evacuation center.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
Availability of resources of Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office No. 5, for response and recovery. From the banner programs, of rice, corn, high-value crops development programs or HVCDP, and, the livestock and poultry. Available seeds from rice program. Certified Pele seeds with 11,331 bags, and hybrid Pele seeds with 22,101 bags. Available seeds and equipment from corn program. White corn seeds OPV glut with 100 bags, yellow corn seeds GM hybrid with 30 bags, sweet corn with 30 packs, knapsack sprayers 30 pieces, laminated sack or pangtaple with 70 pieces. Available veggies from High Value Crops Development Program. We have here some from Bahay Cubo, pole sitaw, tomato, okra, pichay, impalaya, upo, squash, and hot pepper. Garden tools for starting up the veggies garden. Drugs, biologics and feeds are available in the Livestock and Poultry Program.
living life every day, late at night.
Available resources for response, recovery of the regional department. The Regional Response Center is now mobilized, as well as the Sorsogon Research Outreach Station or ROS.
That's all for this mount.
Bulusan report of DRRM operations. Thank you.